Imagine simple idea to a complicated Figma ready UI within minutes. Yes, that is possible. So today we're going to learn how to convert any simple idea to complicated Figma design, and not only Figma, we can export it to React as well as Webflow. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video and get started with it. Well, before that, make sure you already subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon and like this video. So here we are in UX Magic Copilot tool. You can just log in with Google account or you can just sign up here. This tool has a freemium version. You can use free as well as paid plans. So let's start with a simple prompt here. You just have to paste a prompt here or type in a prompt here. You can choose if you want a desktop or a mobile version. So I'm going to do a mobile app. So I'm just selecting the mobile. And if you want a public or a private project, you can choose which one you want. So let's say I want a private project, and if you want to add any reference image, you can just simply do it from adding here. If you want to import any design from Figma, you can simply import a design from Figma. If you want to simply clone a website, just put in the link of the website here and you can see it will clone the website. If you have created the wireframes on a paper, you can simply add that sketch here and you can create clean UI from the paper as well, like from the paper wireframes as well. And the cool feature of this tool is enhanced prompts. So I'm going to enhance the prompt using AI. So let it enhance the prompt, and I'll show you other designs as well which it has created. So it has enhanced the prompt, and I have asked it to create a simple mobile food delivery application which has user onboarding flow, restaurant browsing with filters and blah blah blah. You can just write down whatever you want in your design, and let's just generate. While it is generating the design, let's make sure that you have already subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon as well. Also, let me know in the comments if you have used any other AI UI UX design tool. If not, then let me know why, and if you have used any other tool apart from this, then let me know which tool you have used. Also, let me know if you feel AI is going to take over on the humans or the designers and replace them. I feel no, because AI is just our helping hand. It is not going to replace us, at least in near future. I'm not sure about 10 or 20 years down the line, but yes, at least for next 10 years you can see AI is not going to replace us. We had to learn how to use AI to create better design, to create better solutions than someone else learns it, and then that someone else will replace you. So before someone else learns it, just go ahead and learn it and create designs quicker, faster and better. Okay. While it is generating, let me just show you other designs as well which this tool has created. So this is a simple sitemap and a wireframe which I have asked it to do, and now you can see this was for a fashion store sitemap and wireframe. You can see the complete site architecture and the page layout it has created. So this has sitemap, which has home page, shop page, product page, cart, checkout page and account. So all the features which we should be having on a e-com site. And now you can see it has created nice wireframes as well for home page, for product page, for shopping cart, checkout, user account, dashboard and so on. You can just edit these designs once it has generated. You can simply type in here your further message and just ask it to make changes which you want. I'll also show you the other design which I have created using the same tool. Let me just show you this digital portfolio or the design portfolio which I have created. Now you can see this complete design is generated using this simple prompt, and again this prompt was enhanced using AI. My prompt was very simple: create a mobile first design portfolio website with clean visual focused layout. That's it. All the things which it has created is using the enhanced feature of the prompt. And now you can see it has added nice header section or the hero section, then about me or the about designer section, and featured projects. Then it has design insights. You can have like blogs or the journey of the designer, and then contact page. So very well, very organized and nice and clean design. And good part or the fun part of this is you can simply copy this design to Figma. You can simply view the code in plain HTML, CSS. If you want React component, you can simply export it as a React component as well. And you can see you can export in PNG, JPEG, WebP, SVG, or a PDF as well from this. So nice, cool tool. Let's go back to this tab if it has generated the and now you can see, you can just click on this preview button here and it will show you the preview of the application. You can see when I click on get started, it has also asked for the permissions as well. Okay, allow location access, enable notification, create an account. So I'm going to use, let's say, login with Google. Okay, this feature is not added by the AI. You can just add your name as well. And now you can see it is much better than what Figma does. It gives you a real working prototype. Definitely it is not an end-to-end application which you can publish, but this gives you a really nice working, prototype. And now you can see when I clicked on create account, it has took me to the main page and this whole working prototype is here. You can see you can go to the search page, you can go to the orders page, profile page. Everything is very well designed, nice clean design. So this is what the power of AI is. You can see all these things are just created using a simple prompt, nothing fancy. So I will like you guys to start using this tool and create awesome designs, and let me know if you have used any other AI tools which generate designs for us. And if you want to get exciting discount on the paid plans of this tool, you can just click on the affiliate link in the description below and you can get exciting discount on this tool. And yes, till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.